Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to use filters on the Likee application so that you can make your videos more creative, colorful and fun. First of all, open up the Likee application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to start creating a new video. This will take you to your camera screen from where you can take a video or photo right away. If you want to choose an existing video or photo, go to upload at the bottom right. Now you can go ahead and select a video or a photo you want to add filters on. After choosing the video or photo, click on next. On the next page in the preview screen, go to the top right corner and look for filters and tap on it. Now from the bottom menu, you will see a list of available filters. You can search by the categories as well at the top and select the filter you'd like to apply to the video. Find the filter that best suits your need, and you can also swipe left or right to scroll through and explore more of the filters out there. And once you've selected your favorite filter, tap on the middle of the screen and tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen. You can then go ahead and add captions, hashtags and more to your video and tap on post to the bottom right to publish your filtered videos. And that's how you use filters on Likee to level up your video editing game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.